My name is Roodra Verma, and I am the Operation Excellence and Digital Manufacturing Manager in CES for Asia region. I've been in the role for 1 year, and I'm located at Kyungju, South Korea. I've been with Plastic Omnium for 4 years and total 17 years in automotive industry. I began with Plastic Omnium in 2018 as a production manager in Delhi plant. That time, meeting customer requirements and achieving zero quality defects were the key challenges. Under the guidance of then plant director, I started to strengthen the manufacturing foundation, teamwork, regained the customer trust, and supported in building the plant turnaround. In 2019, I took over the role of plant director in Hansalpur. I set vision for the plant, and that was to become a benchmark plant in CES. As a leader, my role was to synergize everyone's effort towards this common goal. Collaborative efforts of everyone, we achieved one of the best results in CES for almost all benchmark KPIs in a year time. This was a major highlight of my career because it taught me the insights of building a high-performance team. Adapting new environment is always fascinating to me. I love working with new people, new team. Learning new things and unlearn some of the old practices keeps me out of my comfort zone. In the new environment, I never hesitate to ask help from the people around me. Being a leader, I focuses on providing the right environment, building trust, cooperation, providing necessary help, support, resources to my team, setting the right expectations, and protecting them from external hiccups. But being a leader is not always easy. It requires dealing with a lot of uncertainties, confusions, failures, mistakes. In tough times, creating hope in my team is my leadership fundamental. Remember, whatever is impossible today is going to be possible tomorrow.